Small businesses all over the world are now starting to use social media as a way to market their products and services. This is mainly because social media is free, very affordable, and it reaches a lot of people. One of the advantages of using social media is that it makes your small business's marketing plan transparent. It allows you to set goals and milestones so that you know exactly what you are working towards. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about some small marketing tips for beginners. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Another advantage is that you are able to build a list faster than traditional advertising methods. Most small businesses do not have the money to advertise on television or radio. They also don't want to have to hire professional marketing experts that might cost them an arm and a leg just to get the word out about their product. Using small businesses' marketing tips such as email marketing is very effective, and it is definitely cheaper than other media options. There are other small business marketing tips that will help you gain the edge over your competitors and get more business. For instance, you can use Facebook and Twitter to boost your presence on these two sites. This way you can share information about your products, promotions, and sales with your customers and followers. If you have an online website, you can put a link to it in your status messages on Facebook and Twitter. With Facebook and Twitter, you are able to reach a lot more people than with traditional media. Even though both sites allow users to post comments and add photos, the way they work is quite different. Unlike websites, social media allows you to post new material without having to edit it. For example, if you want to send out a Facebook message about a promotion, you just update the status and everyone who has been updated will see the latest posts, get email contact from you. Small businesses can benefit a lot from email marketing. For one thing, this allows you to build relationships with your potential customers. Email marketing helps you build relationships by informing potential customers of your business's existence. You can inform them of special promotions, upcoming sales events, and events that you believe will help your business grow. You can also remind them of any product warranties that are currently on offer. There are other small business marketing tips that include using Facebook and Twitter to improve online presence and create virtual tie-ins. For instance, if you run an online store, you can let Facebook and Twitter users know about any promotions or sales events that are happening at your store. If you have a blog or website, you can share the same links on your Facebook page, on your Twitter account, and on your Google+ page. By doing so, you are able to boost the number of people who see your posts or links on other social media sites. However, it is essential that you use Facebook and Twitter in a strategic manner. By doing so, you will be able to use the power of social media to reach out to your potential customers. Moreover, these social media sites have been instrumental in helping various brands gain visibility and convert their potential customers into loyal buyers. In fact, Facebook and Twitter have helped a lot of brands rake in large amounts of profits simply because they help businesses market their brands effectively. Another tip for small marketing tips is that small businesses should not ignore email marketing. This is because email marketing can go a long way in helping small businesses market their brands. It will allow you to quickly reach out to your potential customers, enhance your sales conversion and drive up your brand's visibility. By doing so, you can see that you have been granted some marketing tips that are bound to work for you. So get started right away. Thanks for watching my video about some small marketing tips for beginners. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.